Since 1956, our distribution services have remained focused on delivering an unparalleled customer experience. Our customer service teams are linked to a shared common network and phone system to provide personalized service and immediate access to over $4 million of inventory. Along with our local and regional inventory, we share a common network with over 30 distributors nationally, offering access to over $200 million in readily available inventory. Our certified customer service team is committed to delivering the wow factor to every customer. We take pride in our reputation for trusted expertise and our ability to specify and provide the right product or system for our customers' most demanding motion control and fluid handling or process applications. RG customers have immediate access to a wide variety of custom distribution services, including omni-channel e-commerce solutions, just-in-time inventory, custom kitting and packaging, and vendor-managed inventory services. In addition, we offer custom invoicing options and electronic order processing. The RG Rapid Reserve Inventory program allows customers to quickly select products, online or by phone, which are always available to ship the same day, every day. We're committed to providing an unparalleled customer experience at every customer touchpoint. Our ISO 9001 certified quality processes ensure we are experienced at meeting the most stringent customers' requirements for distribution or manufacturing services. Our highly trained team of account managers and application and system engineers are experts in selecting the right products for any mechanical or process control application. RG Group is a recognized technology center for premier global industry leaders, including Parker Hannifin, Gast, Enerpac, WICA, Atlas Copco, and GEMS. Our goal is to provide our customers a customized pathway to greater profitability and success with our collaborative service-based business model.